Our kids mean a world to us, but when they fall sick, this world comes to a standstill. In this video, we will discuss various home remedies which are actually the Ayurvedic ways of treating common cold, cough and fever in children. Or when our kids fall sick, we should actually thank God that He has given us the chance, or He has given our kids the chance to detoxify their body. Yes, this falling sick is the body's natural mechanism to get rid of the toxins. Yes, you heard me right. So stay calm and watch the video till the end. The most beautiful part of this video is that in this video we will learn from the kids what we parents should do when they are sick. I thank all the parents who allowed their kids to participate in this video, which is for a social cause. Namaskar to all of you. You're welcome to my channel Healthify My Cuisine and Lifestyle, and my name is Seema. I'm a passionate health educator, a homemaker who empowers all the other homemakers. I do not teach you anything, I just make you to revise the things which you already know. So let's begin the video without wasting much time. First thing, whenever our child falls sick, has cold and cough or fever even, the first thing a mother should tell to his child is, बेटा आपको पानी बहुत पीना है और इतना पानी पीना है कि आपका सुसु कैसा कलर का होना चाहिए?
White.
जोर से बोलो.
White.
White color. The first thing we need to tell to our kids is that drink water. They drink water. वो इतने competition में ये पानी पी जाते हैं because उनको बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी रहती है देखने के लिए कि सुसु कब वाइट हो जाएगा. This is the first thing to keep your kids hydrated. Whenever they fall sick, please keep them hydrated. Keep them well hydrated. That doesn't mean that you will give them fruit tea, you will give them some unnatural sweeteners. No, I will show you some of the things which you can give them. Number one, you can give them nimbu pani, simple nimbu pani. The lemon will give them the vitamin C. You can give them amla ka pani. I have shown amla pani, how you can make amla juice, and you can mix that with jaggery. You can log on to my Facebook page also, where I share these things, where I share the healthy food reels, and I will update the link of that amla drink in the description box. The vitamin content of one amla is equal to the vitamin content of 12 oranges, 1 dozen of oranges. This will boost the immunity of our kids, and that will also get rid of the free radicals. 2 is exposure to the sunlight. When you get exposed to sunshine, D, your body will synthesize vitamin D. बच्चों, धूप में ज़रूर बैठना चाहिए. जब भी आपको खांसी और ज़ुकाम होगा, आप धूप में बैठो. धूप, sun आपको strong बनाएगा. Sun will make you strong.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aruli Sahu. Today I must be thinking what I'm doing with my teddy. In the sunlight, actually sunlight is a good source of energy, which boosts our energy and gives us vitamin D. So take everyday sunlight and eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye. Thank you.
The third is, do not stop their fruits. Many of the parents, they are skeptical about giving fruits to their children. उनके fruits बंद मत कीजिए. Fruits are loaded with antioxidants. They are loaded with vitamins and minerals. Especially citrus fruits, they are rich in vitamin C, which will help them to detox. Which will अच्छे से wash किए हुए fruits you will have to eat, जो आपको उस virus से fight करने में डिशुम help करेगा. Your fruits will fight the viruses. The colorful fruits.
Pomegranate and pomegranate juice is the best cough syrup in the world. But chew it with your strong teeth to take out the juice.
Thank you, my dear child. And please note that you should not give any fruit after sunset, any fruit juice after sunset. In between, you can give fruit juices, coconut water. It becomes very difficult for most of the parents to feed their children, to make their children eat something. Don't worry, if they are not able to eat anything, don't worry. It's the body's natural mechanism. They are healing, they are getting detoxified. Let them detoxify themselves. Let that extra mucus come out. They are flushing the extra toxins in the form of their urine. They are drinking good amount of water. This will help a lot. Number 4. If your child is habitual of taking milk, milk is mucolytic. Milk produces mucus, and at the same time when he is having cough and cold, try putting a dash of turmeric. If you are getting the raw turmeric in the market, this, and try to give this. I will update the link here in the description box to show you how to make haldi wala doodh. One more important thing is, while I talked about the fruits, you can avoid banana during cough and cold, because banana is also mucolytic and it produces mucus. All the citrus fruits can be given. Fifth point is how to ease their discomfort while they are sleeping. While they are sleeping, a particular sleeping posture, keeping pillows on the back like a recliner, this will ease and open up their lungs and nostrils, and they can breathe beautifully and they can breathe easily. Our cute little friend Sanjoli is depicting the process, and thank you so much Sanjoli for depicting this for us. And most importantly, they should be able to inhale the steam every day. It's very important. Steam inhalation is very important. That will melt the cough and that they will get rid of the cough in the form of belgum. To improve the breathing quality during congestion, proning can also be practiced to improve the oxygenation and to improve the breathing quality. Our cute little friend Gaurav will be showing how pruning can be done when there is nose congestion. Another thing is with your kids, here at this position are the pressure points of your sinus, and when your kids are complaining of congestion in the nose, you can just pressure these points and soothe them, and you will see that their noses open up dramatically and they are so happy that congestion goes away. This is a protocol for eliminating the virus through the mouth. First, you will inhale the steam. Second, you will gargle, so that whatever has accumulated there, whatever viruses have died there, gargling will help in taking those out. Little kids cannot do the gargling, but still they can try. And third is drinking some Tulsi mulathi water. If you have the Tulsi leaves of your own garden, you can wash some Tulsi leaves and boil them in water, and also add licorice, mulathi. And mulathi powder is available from Patanjali. It's called Joishti Madhu. Joishti Madhu. Sticks are also available, as well as it's available in powder form. You can use any. This is the best soothing and healing when it comes to itchy throat. And eighth important point is improving their lung capacity on regular basis. Improving the immunity is a regular process, it's a continuous process, it's a never ending process. And today's coronavirus and tomorrow we don't know what virus is going to come, and let us make our children future ready. Let's make their lungs strong. We can improve our lung capacity by these simple exercises at home.
If you want strong immunity, so do not eat fried and
Do not eat fried and refined food. Our friend Gaurav will show us how to improve the lung capacity when playing mouth organ. Yoga teaches us the right way of living. Yoga is a journey from the self to the self through the self. Our cute little sweet friend Preet Pratim will be displaying some yoga asanas which will help to improve your immunity and improve your lung capacity. Over to Preet Pratim. Thank you so much, dear Preet Pratim. He did Chakrasana and Ustrasana. In both these positions, your lungs will open up, your heart gets stronger, and you will take more oxygen inside. This will improve the lung capacity. Very simple but a very wonderful tip. The Ayurvedic practice is use of camphor. Camphor is antiviral, antibacterial, and it has variety of uses. Get the camphor from a reliable source. I believe in Patanjali camphor, and I will show you how it works. You can put camphor in a hanky, and you can put that handkerchief in their pockets, and this way they will not get infected by their friends. If you are sitting among their friends, they will not get infected by their friends. The virus cannot travel to them. And secondly, when they have congestion, you can just put the camphor inside their pillows, and you can also make a potli of camphor and put it around their neck. I have been practicing this since my daughter was a little child. I used to keep a camphor and put it around her neck like a necklace, and I would always tell her that this necklace will protect her from all the viruses. You can also put camphor in such a way that it becomes like a necklace around the neck of your child. Make sure that he is well trained not to eat that or not to choke himself or herself. You can also make ajwain ki potli. Roast some ajwain or carom seeds and then put them into a hanky and make a potli out of them and keep this potli around your child. This will also soothe them in their cough and cold. 10th, very easy step, it's very readily available at your homes, is mustard oil. You can massage the chest and back of your kids with the strong mustard oil. The pungent mustard oil will help open up their nose. You can also put 1 drop of mustard oil in their nose, but be sure if kids can take that, elder kids can definitely take that because it's very strong and pungent, and if you put 1 drop of mustard oil in their nose, this will open up their nose and they will be able to breathe properly. If kids are not able to take mustard oil, you can also put almond oil in their nose. When our kids are sick, the most difficult part of this is thinking about what to give them, how to feed them. Always remember, don't feed them biscuits, breads or anything that comes up from the packets and goes directly into their mouths. Don't feed them the juices, the artificial juices. Don't feed them even breads. Make homemade. The soups can be as simple as soaking your lentils, मसूर दाल को भिगा के उसको boil करके. This can be their soup because masoor dal has good amount of zinc. Zinc will help in improving their immunity. इतना simple soup हो सकता है. पतला सा मसूर दाल का सूप बना के दीजिए. I have uploaded a video how to combat cough and cold when I had got coronavirus. At that time I shooted the video. I'll update the link in the description box. You can also watch that. There I have shown how to make masoor dal soup. You can simply make that, or you can make chicken soup also if your kids love eating chicken. The way I have shown in the video, make it the same way. That way, putting all these ingredients together, link is there in the description. Do take time for your lovely kids, adorable kids, to watch this video till the end, and also all the links which I have updated below in the description box, those links you should also go through. Let's hear what our cute princesses have to say.
Let's eat healthy foods at our home and also at our school in our tiffin boxes. Hi, I am Mayachi. Always eat homemade food. Don't watch TV when you eat.
Mindful eating is very necessary for the children. They should know what they are eating. They should get connected with the food they are served. They should really enjoy while eating. They should be taught how eating is necessary for them, how chewing is necessary for them. Beautiful points. The 11th most underrated and most forgotten point is changing the pillow covers. Yes, the for day 1 is a little difficult, virus load is more, and on your pillows all the viruses are scattered. If you cannot change pillow covers, then you should keep the pillow covers, you should keep the pillows in sun so that all the viruses get killed and the pillow doesn't become the home for those viruses. And the most important message for all the lovely mamas there is, please do not panic. It's body's defense mechanism. Your kids will get well soon. When we give them medicines very immediately after they get cough and cold, the disease gets suppressed. जो उनका बीमारी है वो चप जाता है, दब जाता है, and the suppressed disease means a big future disease. So do not suppress their disease, try them to get healed by their body's own mechanism. Till the age of 5, the kids are still developing their immunity. So don't get panic, give them cuddle, give them a hug, give them your time, give them that smile, give them that strength. They will definitely get well soon. And with these tips and tricks, they will definitely conquer the world and be future ready. 1 spoon of sugar lowers down the immunity for 2 hours. So avoid using sugars, avoid using all the refined sugar. Instead of sugar, you can use palm jaggery and honey. But please be careful while using honey. You will make honey toxic if you add it in hot water or hot tea. Always use honey in cold water or normal room temperature. We have somehow lost the essence of that soil. We are not able to teach them the essence of the touch of the soil, which improves their immunity. You must have noticed how during the corona time, no sabzi vendor got corona. That is because they work in the fields, get the sunshine, are exposed to sunlight, and they are very close to the soil.
Touching the soil boosts our immunity.
So let our children play with the soil. Let them play with the soil to improve their immunity. Touch of the soil will definitely improve their immunity. I have tried to cover most of the parts in this video. Please stay tuned for more such videos. If I have skipped anything in this video, I will update one more video soon about the cough and cold in kids. And now that you have reached here, I request you to kindly subscribe to my channel and do not forget to share the video with your loved one. Thank you so much kids for participating in this lovely video.